here. We have to stand in the bus.
Why are you mad, bro?
Because of you, man. Because you're late, bro. Run. I told you to run.
No, it's not my fault. It's not my fault.
Fuck you, I told you to run. I caught you, man. I was like, yo, sprint, bro. But they were like, okay, man. But then I see you walking like chill, you know what I'm saying? You good, man.
Quick update. We switched buses and this bus it's much better. It's much better leg room.
Exactly.
It's much better everything.
I'm so glad that Levi was late. Cause like now we got this like dope ass bus. Like f the other bus, man.
Why was he mad? I was telling you, why you mad, bro? Why you mad, bro?
I ain't mad, bro.
Oh, so, say what?
I ain't mad. If you see the wait, did I say I'm mad?
Yes.
Oh, I'm not mad, bro. You're the man.
Why are you mad, bro?
He's the homie since day one, man. You know?
Yeah. Alright.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're finally here in Melaka. Right now we're around Jonker Walk and it's freaking hot out here, but we're trying to find like some place to chill and you know vibe with it. And so far I'm liking the scene, man. Yeah.
Hey, so here we are at the Melaka Fort. This was made in the 15th century and was taken on by armed forces. This is a very, very old building, as you heard, it's in the 15th century. Let's go have a closer look. Melaka. This was built in the 18th century and it is the oldest functioning Protestant church in all of Malaysia.
Hello guys, we're here at this graveyard and not like regular graveyards are, this place is amazing. The architecture, the brilliance that was put into its development, how the clay was molded and racked up on top of each other in such a brilliant way. Back in those days, cement wasn't available. The way builders built this place is putting clay while it's still wet on top of each other and burnt it on site, making it as hard as concrete and to last a lifetime. It has lived through ages, decades even, through storms, through countless lives and generations, and has seen many come and go. And will probably see us through.
Oh, that's dope.
We just finished eating, you know what I'm saying? So we're in 7-Eleven and I need to go ATM.
A lovely morning to you. This is day 2 on the Melaka trip. So right now we're at the Malaysia Asin Park or National Park. I'm not sure if I got the name wrong. Don't kill me. But it's a guided tour, so I really don't know what's here or what to expect. But that structure is particularly familiar because of the Visit Melaka 2019 logo. So I think it's like some cultural place or a place of significance, and I don't know what to expect again, but I'm hoping it's gonna be good. So let's get right into it. Yo, Fallon.
Yo, it's good.
What do you have to say about the trip so far?
It's freaking hot, that's first.
Yeah.
But
Have you been here before?
nah, man, I've never been here.
What is this place?
Apparently, I think it's a park or something. There's a show going on. But yo, so far, I mean, I don't mind the trip, man. Like, it's kind of dope. I'm not gonna lie, like, it's not like I didn't expect this at all. But it's alright. But for the money, it's not high. You know what I'm saying?
All right. Cool.
Yo, it's up. Yo, I'm gonna get this shit. Just look.
Hey, yo, be careful with that shit, bro.
Where is he from? Where is he from? Yeah, I told you.
Hey guys, so here we are concluding our trip to Melaka. We just got off the bus. It was a very long ride, but we enjoyed it. The entire trip was just amazing. We learned so much about the Malaysian culture in such little time. We were exposed to heritage that has survived thousands of years, hundreds of years. This was educational in the most entertaining way. We bonded with each other and we lived through many cultures from different sides of Malaysia. And we just got back. Here we are back in Cyberjaya.
Hey!
It's dope, y'all.
Yo, man, we're finally back. So tired, but the trip was amazing. I can't wait to get home.
I know, right?
Yeah,
I can't wait to see my bed, bro. Like a good shower would be
so good.
Feeling me, man. You're feeling me.
So thank you for watching the video. We hope that you enjoyed it.
as
Thank
much
you.
as we are creating it. You know what I'm saying?
And a shout out to the man behind the camera, Levi.
Hey.
All right, guys, take care.
Peace out. Yo, this is scary, man.
I got you. Just
Don't fall too fast.
Ben, you.
go. Go. You're good. You're good. Don't worry.
No.
Bro.
Ben,
Go.